Yes.
So, hey UC fam, welcome to our live show. So, just as we announced yesterday also, we have brought for you very beautiful collections. Today, what we are focused on is are the budget-friendly collections that we have brought for you. The products will be ranging from I guess 800 rupees to 1500 rupees. These are all are price slashed, or you'll be getting at least on 50% discount from the market rates. So let's just start with showing you the products. Okay, so the very first products that we want to show you today is this very beautiful Kanjivaram Pattu silk saree. So as you can see, the very first saree that we have brought for you here are this very beautiful Kanjivaram Pattu silk. Okay, so as you can see, it has a very beautiful dual shade Sona Rupa color contrast pallu. With this, you'll be getting with these beautiful tassels. These are very beautiful geometrical patterns, Sona Rupa pallu. Okay, and after the pallu part, let me just show you the body as well. The body has this very beautiful Sona Rupa dotted motifs, polka dot motifs, with this Kanjivaram pattern exclusive contrast border. As you can see, this is the border of the saree. Let me just show you once as well. This is how it will be looking on you. This has a very beautiful royal blue shade, and this you'll be getting as a pallu. So this saree is priced at rupees. How much is the price for?
1500.
This saree is priced for you is rupees 1500, and shipping we are giving, as you all know, we are giving free shipping pan India, all over India. So this was the product number 1 for the day. So, and just to inform you, to place an order or to have, if you have any query, all you have to do is take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on the number given below, or you can also DM us, whatever you prefer. So this is the same collection, just a different color for you. Same Kanjivaram Pattu silk. Let me just open this as well for you. This is a very beautiful sky blue shade color. Let me just show you as well first. This is a very beautiful sky blue shade in the same Sona Rupa pattern pallu, as you can see in the geometrical pattern, with this very beautiful tassels as well. And the same you'll be getting the same body as well in this beautiful bootas woven in silver and gold color. So let me just drape it once for you as well. So this is the product number 2, a very beautiful sky blue shade Kanjivaram Pattu silk. This is also priced at rupees 1500, 1500. And as you can see, it also has a very beautiful sky blue border. So this was the product number 2. This is a Kanjivaram Pattu silk, priced at rupees 1500.
Market price is 25.
Market price is 2500 rupees. As we just mentioned, we'll be giving the very best price. So this, you'll be getting the same fabric, a different color. This is a Pakistani green color. You can see. Just have a look at this very beautiful color. Same body, same pallu, Sona Rupa contrast pallu with tassels, and you'll be getting this very beautiful blouse as well. Let me just open this one for you as well. This is how it will be looking to you. This is a green color Kanjivaram Pattu silk with the pallu. All these sizes are priced at rupees 1500. I have lots of more beautiful colors coming up for you. So this one is a yellowish gold color in the green contrast border. This here is a very beautiful yellow color with a touch of gold zari, is looking very pretty. And all these sizes are coming with tassels as well. These tassels gives a very beautiful touch. These, as you can see, the Kanjivaram Pattu silk with the pallu view. Booking details are mentioned below in the description box. And this coming up for you is yet another very beautiful color, a baby pink. Just open this up for you as well. This, as you can see, is a baby pink color, looking very pretty, very gorgeous. Just have a look at this very premium color with this border detailing as well, and the pallu view. All these sarees are priced at ₹1500, and as you all know, we give free shipping as well, pan India. Now this coming up for you is yet another very beautiful color. This is a polar red, woven in same Sonaruka pattern with these beautiful tassels. So as you can see, a very beautiful color as again, with beautiful contrast pallu and borders.
Price.
All these sizes are priced at ₹1500, and the shipping is free, as you all know. The market price for all these sarees are at least ₹500. This is yet another very beautiful color, very very pretty for the coming season. This is a sort of ash grey tone, and the Sonarupa contrast on this is looking very pretty. Let me just open this as well. This is how it will be giving the view to you on draping. This is the pallu and the body. Just to show you the blouse once again, this is what you will be getting for the blouse. Same as pallu, a very beautiful touch. This is the last piece in the Kanjivaram Pattu section. This is one of the best sellers colors as well. This one has a different design, as you can see. It is a very beautiful dark Rani pink color, and just to give you a better look, it has a very beautiful floral embossed design in the self shade with this very beautiful sea green color border as well. You'll be getting the contrast tassels, as you can see, and this is what you'll be getting for the view, a very beautiful Rani pink color in the sea green contrast with the pallu view and the sari view. So this was the very last piece from the Kanjivaram Pattu section. All the sarees in the Kanjivaram Pattu sections were priced at ₹1500. And just to give you a better thing, if you have any query or if you want to book the saree, all you have to do is take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on the number given below. The WhatsApp number is 7307193733. Okay, so the very next product that we have brought for you is Banarsi linen silk, Banarsi pure linen silk sarees. This is in a very beautiful deep red self shade with the silver contrast pallu. The pallu, as you can see, has a very beautiful geometrical pattern design in the silver color zari, and you will be getting this same linen blouse with the borders on the sleeves for you. So let me just open the sari once for you as well. So this is what you will be getting on the view. This is the pallu for you, and this will be getting the body. These linen sarees are priced at ₹1000, free shipping.
Flash sale for linen.
This is a flash sale for linen, very fast moving, and because the market price currently going on is ₹2000, we have brought this for you at 1000, free shipping as well. This yet again a very beautiful garnet shade color, or you can also say a dark purple or garnet shade, as we say. Just have a better look at the border as well. It has a very beautiful meenakari work border. This is what you'll be getting for the view. The pallu, and as you can see, the border has a very beautiful silver color meenakari work. All these sizes are priced at ₹1,000 free shipping.
It's a pure linen sari.
All these sarees are pure linen Banarsis. You'll be getting this at a very best price currently if you book. All these sarees are very soft, very smooth finish. So this is the product number 3 in the linen section. This is a color between the orange and the red shade. As you can see, it has a checks pattern with this beautiful borders. And this you'll be getting in the pallu view. This is your pallu view. Okay. And the checks pattern. And the blouse you'll be getting the same as the body, as you can see. All these sizes are priced at ₹1,000 free shipping for you. If you have any queries or if you want to book any sari, there's a number given in the reception box, 7307193733. Okay. So this is the product number 4 in the linen section. It is a striped pattern design in the complete body with the borders and the pallu as well. This is a very beautiful color shade between the orange and the red color. So this is your body view. This is what you'll be getting on the draping section. This is your pallu view. You can see. Now here is yet another very beautiful design. It is a card band pattern. See, it's very beautiful borders and the complete plain body, giving a very classy touch. And here for you, this is the body view, the pallu view. It is a very beautiful color shade between orange and red. All these sarees are pure Banarsi linens, and you'll be getting this at 1,000 free shipping. This is the last piece from the linen section. This is the last one today for the linen section. This as well is the checks pattern as you saw before only. So this was for you in the linen section. All the sarees in the linen section were priced at ₹1,000 free shipping. The market price currently right now for you is 2,000. So coming up, the next piece for you are these very beautiful soft silk sarees. We name them soft silk Thanjavur pattern. So this here for you is a very beautiful garnet color in the soft silk section. As you can see, the fabric is very smooth and these bootas are looking very beautiful. Let me just open this one as well for you. This is what you'll be getting for the view. This are the Thanjavur soft silk as we say it. This you'll be getting as a pallu view. This is your body view. And what are these priced at?
1,200.
All these sizes are priced at, all the section in the soft silk Thanjavur will be priced at 1,200 rupees. And the shipping is free as you all know. So this it has few very beautiful colors. The last one was a garnet color. And this one here up for you is the very beautiful orange. You see, this will be a pallu view. This is a pallu view. And the blouse is the same as the pallu pattern. You can see it has the antique color shade zari used in the border design. This is an orange color. This also priced at ₹1,200 free shipping. It has 7 to 8 colors. Let me just open one by one for you. This is yet again a very beautiful green color too. This is also looking very pretty. The pallu view, body. If you have any queries or if you want to book any sarees, the number is given below in the description box. Our WhatsApp number 7307 193733. Coming up for you, a best selling color in the section, a royal blue. You can see, have a better view. This is yet so far have been the best selling color for us in the section, a royal blue, because it gives a very beautiful touch with the zari color, and you'll be getting this pallu view. All these are very soft material, and all these Hanjur silks are currently priced in the market at rupees between 1800 to 2000, and we have brought for you at the range of 1200. Now yet another very beautiful color, a Rani pink color. Some of these colors have very limited stock, so if you like any, please book fast, because it won't be staying for too long. This is your pallu view and your body. All these are soft silks. We have 2 or 3 more colors for you here. This is a black color looking very pretty, as you can see. A violet, purple shade. This is a tussar, or as you can see, a beige color in the same pattern. And the last but not the least, a very beautiful red. All these sarees were soft silk Hanjur, price of rupees 1200, free shipping for you. So coming up, the very next product are the tissue silks, Kanjivaram pattern. Price at rupees 1000, free shipping. Just open it for you. It has a very beautiful embossed pattern designs. As you can see, to give a better view, these have very beautiful embossed pattern designs in the complete body of the view, and the very contrast shade Alfi bootas in the borders. And this is what you'll be getting for the pallu, a self color woven pallu, and this is your body view. These are embossed pattern tissue silk Banarsis, price at rupees 1000, free shipping for you. These have very beautiful 3 or 4 color combinations. So this is an orange with off-white color tone borders. Just open this as well. So this is an orange with an off-white color combination, very beautiful combination, with the self woven pallu, and this is the body view. This is a tissue silk, price is rupees 1000, free shipping. Now coming up, the best selling color, the red with off-white. This is a best seller in this section, best collection. So you can see the borders have these woven bootas, colorful floral bootas, and the body has this very beautiful embossed pattern, self work in the body in the same red color, and this here up is for the pallu. And the last piece in the section, but yet very beautiful color, a mehndi green with off-white, a very beautiful combination. Here you can see a mehndi green with an off-white. Might be getting a little different color if you have a slower internet connectivity, but this is a mehndi green with an off-white border and a pallu. All these sarees have very beautiful self color woven brocade pattern pallu, and this is the body for you. So these were the 4 pieces in the tissue section. All these were priced at rupees 1000, free shipping. If you have any queries or if you want to book any collection, you have a number given below. And this here is the very hot selling silver brocade sarees. This, as you can see, is a very beautiful baby pink color in the embossed pattern design in the body of the saree with the silver zari. These are priced at which rupees?
1200.
All these sarees are priced at rupees 1200, free shipping. This is looking very pretty. As you can see, a baby pink color with the self color woven And this is the pallu for you. This is the body view. All these are silver brocade soft silks.
All are limited stock collection.
And all, just to let you know, all these are very limited stock. So if you like it, please book fast. This, let me just open all the colors in the last design that I just shown you. This one is a parrot green. A very beautiful parrot green with silver zari woven complete brocade pattern designs. And the pallu, these are soft silk silver brocade Banarsis, moving very fast in the market. Market price at rupees at 2000 rupees, between 1800 to 2000. So the very next color for you, the same design, the same pattern, soft silks, is a very beautiful peach color. You see, it is a very beautiful peach color with, this is your pallu view and the body view. So it has more colors. This one for you in the same design is a sea green, a very beautiful color. The next up is a gold color, yellowish gold. And the next we have for you is an off-white cream shade. You can also cream or off-white, whatever you prefer. And the last in the section, this is a grey color, a very beautiful fast-moving color. And then the last one in this design is a white color. All these sarees are soft silk silver brocade Banarsis, priced at rupees 1200 free shipping. In the same silver brocades, here is the next design for you. This yet another is a very beautiful,
Most demanding design.
most demanded design in the market currently for us. This is our most trending and most demanded design as of now. It has a very beautiful leaf pattern brocade designs in the complete body, and you'll be getting this pallu as well. This is your pallu view in the brocade pattern. As you can see, it is looking very pretty in the sea green color. These two are from the soft silk Banarsi section only, soft silk brocade Banarsis. This next up for you is the pink color. Very beautiful color yet again. Let me just open this up for you. This is looking very pretty. This is a baby pink color with silver zari work in the complete body. This you'll be getting the pallu section of for you. These two are from the section of soft silk Banarsis. This is the third color for you in the design. I'm just opening for you the very best sellers of the collection, the very best colors, and next I'll be showing you this. This is the third color in the design. It is a sky blue. This you'll be getting for the pallu, and this is a very beautiful sky blue color in a silver zari brocade work. All these are soft silk Banarsi silver brocade. So let me just show you the rest of the colors in the design. This you'll be getting a silver white. Here is the green, a very beautiful color. The yellowish gold. And the very last, tussa color. This were the colors in the last design that I show you. All these are soft silk brocade Banarsis. This is the design number 3. It's a very beautiful floral pattern jal work in the body, as you can see. This you'll be getting the pallu, and this is your body. This is a very beautiful parrot green color. As you can see, the embossed pattern floral design is looking very beautiful. This is the pallu for you. These two are from the soft silk silver brocade collection. Price is rupees 1200. This is an tussa color in the same design. And let me just open one piece of a very beautiful design. This one, I only have this color left in this because all of them were sold out on the first day of launching only. This is yet a very beautiful design in the ash grey color, silver zari woven embossed pattern designs with the pallu view. It is a very beautiful grey color. If you need more colors in this, you can message us. We can provide more colors. Right now we don't have because all of them are sold out. We'll be getting them back soon. Now for design number 4, I'll just be opening one design in each color now. This is the design number 4 for you. These two is the brocade pattern design. A parrot green color. You can see the silver zari woven work is looking very beautiful in this as well. All these brocade patterns are looking very beautiful. So this is the design number 5 for you. All these are soft silk banaras. Just to show you the colors for the last design, this is a yellow gold color. This is a very beautiful sea green, a grey tone, and this one is the off-white shade. So this is the second last design for today, from the silver brocade collection. This yet again is very beautiful design pattern and color, a pink color with this border designs looking very beautiful, and this leaf pattern buttas in the complete body, and this you'll be getting the pallu. All these are priced at ₹1200 free shipping. And the color, let me just show you the colors as well in this. This is the sea green, white, we'll be getting grey, yellow, and the beautiful sky blue. These were the 6 colors launched in the design. So this was all from the soft silk brocade collection. Now the next up for you are the very premium, but is a very premium turquoise tissue silk. It has very beautiful pallus and bodies as well. Let me just open one for you. This is a best selling collection in the tissue piece. These are a turquoise tissue. As you can see, the pallu designs are very pretty, very rich looking. And the body has these buttas, and beneath that it has a embossed pattern designs. This here is the complete view of the saree for you. Let me just say, it is looking very beautiful. This is the pallu view for you. You'll be getting with these tassels as well. And what are these priced at?
Priced at 1300.
All these are priced at ₹1300, 1300. And as you all know, we give free shipping as well. This also has a very limited stock, so if you like it, please book fast. It won't be staying for too long. These are turquoise tissue silk. All the designs have 2 colors, a silver and a gold. So let me just open the silver one for you as well. This is the silver one in this design. Silver is looking very pretty as well. A very better choice for you for the wedding and festive season. A very pretty party wear saree for you as well. As you can see, the body of the saree. This the pallu, the body. It has 3 designs. All the 3 designs are very pretty. This here is the design number 2 in the turquoise tissue. Turquoise tissue section. This is the design number 2 for you. A silver color. As you can see, these buttas, and beneath the buttas there is the embossed pattern and Chui woven pattern designs with the contrast pink pallu and border. So you can see this is your pallu view. This you'll be getting in the border. All these are priced at ₹1300, 1300. Just to remind you once again, a number is given below in the description box: 7307 193733. This is the gold color, the design that I just shown you. Very beautiful color as well. The pallu for you with the tassels. And this is the body view. to the last design in the section. But yet again very beautiful design. And just to tell you, these tissues are very soft. These are not the stiff type tissue. These are very soft collection. So, this is what you will be getting. The third and the last design in the lot. And this is the pallu for you. The pallu here as well is looking very beautiful. And this is the body view. The same bootas and beneath the embossed design. The last piece in the turquoise tissue section, gold color, and yet again giving you a very beautiful pallu view. This is your pallu view, looking very beautiful, and the body design. This is a golden color with the contrast border and the contrast pallu, looking very beautiful. All these were turquoise tissue silk Banarsis, priced at rupees 1300, 1300 free shipping. And this is a most budget friendly collection from the day. These are soft cotton silk sarees. Yet again, very decent piece. These are soft cotton silk sarees, priced at rupees 850 free shipping. As you can see, this is your border view, and this you'll be getting for a pallu, a golden zari woven pallu, looking very beautiful. This is your view. And let me just open the bestseller collection of this, bestseller color from this collection. This, as we call it, is an Uda blue. This, as you can see, with this contrast shade, is looking very pretty. This is the pallu for you. The blouse. Body. All the sarees are priced at rupees 850, free shipping.
Red color.
This is the third color for you. This is the last piece that I will be opening in this collection. It's again very beautiful red color, as you can see. As you can see, the body has this polka dots, zari woven polka dots pattern, and the very beautiful contrast jacquard border, and the pallu. These are soft cotton silks, price at rupees 850 free shipping. So let me just show you the remaining colors in this design. This here is for you is a mehndi green. This is the Rani, a very pretty color. This is magenta. Next up is bottle green, a baby pink, an orange, and sky blue, and the very beautiful beige brown, a very beautiful color.
You can contact us for uniform orders.
And we have recently started uniform orders as well, as we just posted on our page as well. So for any uniform orders, you can contact us as well. We'll be happy to provide you. And the very last collection that we have here for you are these beautiful Katan silk Banarsis. Very rich handloom pattern.
Very lightweight.
These are, as everyone has a misconception about the Katan silks, these Katans are very lightweight. Most probably it is something around 350-400 grams sarees for you. And these have a very beautiful, very smooth finish, are very comfortable to wear. As you can see, it has these beautiful star borders, star bootas in the body, and this very beautiful border. This you'll be getting the pallu, complete handloom piece, and Katan silk Banarsi priced at rupees
1600.
All these are priced at rupees 1600. A very best price for this collection, because The marketplace for this is currently running is between 2500 to 3000. This is the last section, Katan silk Banarsis. We have few patterns in this. This is a different pattern. This is a stud border pattern, kanpan design. As you can see, a very beautiful sky blue color with this design in the border and a very beautiful satin borders. And this you'll be getting the contrast pallu as well. All these are priced at 1600 free shipping. I'll just be showing one design in each pattern. The last one was a skirt design. This is full body work design. So this is yet again a very beautiful sky blue shade with red contrast borders. These are satin silk borders, very smooth, very pretty. And the work in the borders, you can see the detailing in the borders are looking very beautiful. This here is the body view. And this is what you'll be getting the pallu for this. These are very smooth fabrics, giving a very beautiful touch, a very premium touch. Price is rupees 1600, free shipping. So this is an Ala pattern design. Cross pattern. This is a very beautiful orange color. You can see these are zari woven cross pattern designs, and this is the contrast border. This is what you'll be getting for the pallu, contrast pallu with tassels, very beautiful tassels as well. This is your full view. All these sizes are priced at rupees 1600, free shipping. This yet again is a very beautiful sea green color. This is a best selling design as well. A very beautiful sea green color, a very premium, very rich looking color. As you can see, the full body has this jacquard booties in the complete body of the saree with the border, zari woven border. And this is the pallu of the saree. This is the full view. We have it again one more design in this section. This is a very exclusive design. You can see the saree has this Mughal bootas in the complete body and the contrast border. This is what you'll be getting the pallu and the blouse. This is a royal blue color, a very decent color. So all these Katan silk Banarsis are priced at rupees 1600.
Now show all the colors.
Free shipping. Now let me just show you all the colors in different designs. So this is a Rani pink, a very beautiful, very premium color. This up here for you is a maroon, a dark maroon, very beautiful.
Tussar is.
In the same design, here is the tussar color for you, light brown shade. In the last design that I have shown you, this is the black one in the Mughal Boota section. In the skirt border section, this is a grey color. Next up for you is a very beautiful orange. This is a mehndi green. In the cross design section, there is a maroon color. This one is a bottle green. The last color in this design, a sea green color. And this one for you is a mehndi green. So thank you guys for watching. This was all for today. Just as a last reminder, to place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on a number given below, 7307-193733. So stay tuned. We'll be coming back next Sunday with yet another beautiful collection. Until then, goodbye.